Where we at, Stace?
At a old National Forest work camp.
It's pretty cool old buildings down here, but nobody's around. Some pretty big trees down here. Everything's all locked up. It's like this is the old fire warehouse, but I think there's some old bunks and things in there, so maybe this is where part of the fire crew used to stay. You gonna leave a little package in there, Stace? U.S. mail. Right now we're on our way to an old fire lookout. It's pretty high elevation and we might get into a little snow at the top. It's just a long, steep dirt road to get up to this. The view is pretty awesome and hopefully we can launch the drone from up there. So years ago I was on a motorcycle trip out west this direction and it got really cold. Everything was frosty. It was nighttime and a storm was rolling in, so I decided to kind of roll up this road grade and see if I could just camp out for the night. And a long time ago there was an old fire tower. It had been restored and kind of worn out again, and it was on the verge of whether they were going to restore it or tear it down. But I knew it was up there, so I rode my motorcycle up, and the last few miles of the road were in pretty deep snow. I got to the top and the wind had picked up, and I got to camp in it that night, and it felt like it was going to blow it off the side of the mountain up there, but it was good to get out of the wind. It was a great place to camp for the night, and then by the next time I actually went up to it, the Forest Service had torn it down, so it was kind of a shame, but at least I got that last night of camping in it before it got torn down. It was a really cool spot. But we're going to go up today and just take a look at the old platform where the fire tower used to be. There's a waterfall. Yeah, we're gaining elevation pretty quick. This road's steep. How's the view?
That's awesome. Look at those clouds coming in over there.
Yeah, so this is the location where the old fire tower was, and this is where I spent the night. The old fire tower was really cool. It had a hipped roof and windows all the way around. It was a really neat spot, but the view was incredible from the top. That's a decent drop. All right, we found snow. We made it all the way up here, but it's starting to get dark. The sun's going down. At least we caught a pretty nice sunset. It's gonna get pretty icy on the way back out of here, so we're gonna have to take our time getting off the mountain. Who's that up on the dash?
400.
Look at that guy. Oh, I didn't catch one of you guys on the dash, did I? It wasn't you, Todd, was it? Was it you, Seamus? Was it you? Were you the guilty one? Was it you?
Bye.